Okay, Nixon has government and after cabinet meeting new SOP for goan seafarers and lagon काढलेली आसा आणि त्याच टायमार तुवें petition घातलेलें कोर्टान. So what is your say on this now?
See, as a petitioner, as the main petitioner, I along with a seafarer who is on board, his wife, and one more seafarer who has been finished 14 days quarantine. So we had filed in the Honorable High Court, and from day number one, we were asking the government, and along with everybody else, my seafarers, our association, plus all politicians, all families, and opposition, whoever, we found that the paid quarantine is injustice for the seafarers. हे पडे 14 दीस quarantine paid केला ते सारखे नासलें, and that is not the right thing for seafarers or people coming from Gulf or non-residents Goan. And from day number one, we were hoping that the government will revert the decision, and the government have not done anything. That's why we had to petition the Honorable High Court. And on the first hearing, we had our lawyer who have represented us made it a very important note that this is discrimination. The order only to put seafarers and non-resident Goans is arbitrary. And we are day number one, we've been telling that all these seafarers are the most safest one. They have been quarantined 40 days, 30 days already, and they have been tested 2 times per day on the ship. They have been regularly monitored, and before they could send back to their home country, they would do the COVID-19 test. But however, the government was not in a position to listen, but they wanted a paid quarantine. After that, so far, 2,150 who have already came, they have already paid the quarantine charges, the company. So it's a huge money. And this new SOP order, which I would say that we are happy in a certain extent that the one who are coming now, almost 5,500, will be benefited with this new SOP. However, I have not seen the SOP as such but I understood that all the travelers, including seafarers and people coming from the outside the country will be benefited with this. So my reaction, basically what I am trying to tell you is, even though people who are coming by flight, they will have to do the test, and they will be, until the tests are done, they will be in the hotel or for 2 days. Still they have to pay. Again, why they have to pay? See, I spoke yesterday people who came from Dubai flight. It's very pity, they lost their job. Last 3 months they don't have any salary. Even the one who paid the hotel, when their families bought the money there. All those things are very important. So I think even that 2 days the test, once the tests are done, I think the people should be allowed to go home, and then the test should be in the health center, which normally everybody else does. So I think even these 2 days after the test comes, they should not be charged. This is what we are saying, is quarantine should not be charged, because this is a very big pandemic all around the world. People are not making money and they are coming. They are losing money and they are coming. So I think even these 2 days, whatever they will be there in the hotel until the test comes, should waive it off.
आनी एक इशू म्हणटा पळय तो समज 14 days home quarantine म्हणला, तेन्ना एवरी होल फॅमिली क्वॉरंटायन जातली. सो हेजेर बाबा क्वॉरंटायन जाता ना कशें पळयतले तुमी?
See, again, what I'm trying to tell you is 2,300 seafarers have come already so far. Title, they are 70 days quarantine. They are clear. They don't have any positive symptoms. लोकांनी आणि सरकारान भिवपाची गरज ना. आज तारोडी पळय येयला न्हू इतले, तेमी सगळ्यांनी ते आपलो रुल्स रेग्युलेशन पाळला. हॉटेलांत ते रावल्या, तेमी कांयच करूंक ना. They have obeyed all the rules and regulation laid out by the government. So I don't think that they will go home and violate. And I appeal to the seafarers, when you come, now when you go home quarantine, I urge them to to strictly follow the guidelines, stay home and show this, which you have shown all the time, that seafarers are the most disciplined people, seafarers are the most safest people, and seafarers are when it comes to health and safety, seafarers are always number one. We are not carriers of virus, but we are warriors at sea, and we have shown that, and I'm sure the seafarers will maintain that, and they will not break the guidelines.
Well, this is in regarding to seafarers who are in abroad and all, because recently जे इल्ले पजितुल्ले दोग चौक जाण दुबई सान पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळेले मागीर.
See, before they come on the flight, Vande Bharat mission, त्यांचे test केल्ले असता. Nobody is coming in the flight without having a test. So they are allowed to board the flight. So in transit, anything can happen. In transit, from the airport, from the flight, anything can happen. See, even Air India pilot has been tested positive. The air hostess has been tested positive. So we should not look into that. See, that phase is gone. That scare where we used to think coronavirus, seafarers used to carry, people who are coming, they will carry. Yes, ultimately, how long the people will stay away from their home? People have no jobs. Cruise lines are suffering. People in the Gulf are losing job. People in London, UK, where our OCI people have gone to look for a better living, they want to come home. So I think you cannot keep the people for many months stay away because of coronavirus. One day or the other, they have to come home.
So at least this SOP which the government today announced in its cabinet is something better than nothing, what you are talking about.
Yes, I think our day number one, our stand, and when we petitioned in the Honorable High Court, we had objected, because as per the MHA guidelines, once you are negative, you have to go home. This is exactly what we had said, and we had prayed in the court, and this is exactly is what we got the result today. This is exactly what we had been forced to go to the court, because this was not complying with MHA guidelines, which says that after testing negative, anybody has to go home. But here the government I would not say targeted, but only had applied for the seafarers, which is not fair. And today I think it will be very much a big relief, because we have a lot of people are coming. There are ships are coming. They will be quarantined on the ship until you get the result. So, and then they will be going home. So this victory is for all the seafarers. This victory is all for the people who are not even, I would not say fighting with the government, but it was a genuine right. Today, all the opposition politicians who have stand by with us, like our leader opposition, like Digabar Kamath, Alexo Reginaldo, then even our Vijay Sardesai, Rowan County. I mean, all, I don't want to take them in, but everybody was forcefully fought for the seafarers and for the NRIs, not to charge them, because only one reason is because they are losing their job, and we don't even know that seafarers will be going back. It's a big burden for the families. So today I think is a victory of all the people who have fought for this, and I also would say that even this 2 days, 3 days paid quarantine should not be charged. I think it is a very important day for us, and I'm very happy about it. Unfortunately, we had to approach to the court to get justice, but before that, I think the next hearing would supposed to be in next few days. So we will consult our lawyer what will be the next step.
So तुम्ही आता petition withdraw करताल किती करताल?
Well, with this SOP which says that everybody should go home, I think we have nothing much to to fight about it, because it's not fair to fight, because finally the government said that after negative you go home. So we have to consult our lawyer Carlos Ferreira and Dawal Zaveri, and we will see. But again, it's a victory for the seafarers and for everybody. Even I thank our organization as well for supporting in this cause, and the people who are part of this.